How I solved my 12-day resupply challenge. Quick update on food choices. In my last video, I showed how going stoveless was going to allow me to carry a 1 pound per day and still maintain a 2,000 calorie a day diet. I was worried about nutrition, so I ended up mapping the food choice nutritional values and discovered I was short on protein. As I mentioned in the video, I was looking at alternatives to increase my protein without significantly increasing my weight. I substituted the Cliff Bar for the Met RX meal bars and substituted the F-Bomb nut butter for the RX nut butter. These changes allowed me to hit the 2,000 calorie a day goal for only 514 grams and still have a fully nutritionally balanced diet. I like the RX nut butter. It ended up being a thicker consistency and more peanut butter-like. It was the 30 grams of protein in the Met RX meal bars, each coming in at 100 grams, that allowed me to hit all my goals. I was pleasantly surprised by the taste, and this ended up being the most candy-like of all the items I'll be bringing. As you can see, a 12-day resupply is the single heaviest category in my total weight I'll be carrying on the trail. So it was really important to get this down from the 24 plus pounds down to just over 13 pounds that it is now. This brings me to a decent 18-pound base weight, with the only real opportunity to cut weight is around 4 to 5 pounds of the cold winter clothing. I've tried to make this gear series more about the challenges I expect to face and the solutions to those problems instead of focusing on particular name brand gear review. I hope that you found this helpful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And as always, new videos weekly.